Hello, 7th grade. I just want to clarify what is expected of you this week with Mosa Mack. So when you log in, you're going to go to the Force and Motion unit. When you're in the Force and Motion unit, first you're going to start with the solve, the animated mystery. So you'll do the mystery, vocabulary, questions, and quiz. This is on the first day. The song and the answer are also provided, and you're welcome to look at those to get more clarity in what the answer is and to understand the concepts more fully. You could do that before taking the quiz if it helps. That is Tuesday's work. Then on Thursday, you're going to come back into Mosa Mack. And on Thursday, you're going to start by watching the live video. It's kind of a video mystery. It's really interesting, actually. And so you can watch it multiple times. I want you to try and figure out what's going on your own. If you can't figure it out, or after you've watched it 3, 4, 5 times, go ahead and go to the answer because then it's going to help explain to you what's happening in this video. I'll give you a clue. It's not ghosts, but it does relate to Newton's 3 laws. In the end, the next thing you're going to do is we'll click on the make. Now, in the make, there's the only thing I want you doing here are the exit ticket questions, okay? And so you'll click on exit ticket questions and you'll answer these questions, okay? They all relate to Newton's 3 laws. They all relate to force and motion. When you're done with these questions, you're going to press save and submit. Make sure you press submit, because if you don't press submit, then I can't see them. And that's when I think you don't get your work done. So again, just to say it again, on Tuesday, you're going to do lesson 1. On Thursday, you're going to watch the live video to try to figure out the mystery, and then you'll go to the make to take the exit ticket questions and press submit. All right, I look forward to seeing all your work. I hope you enjoy this force and motion unit.